To deposit a paper check into your Bank of America account using the mobile check deposit feature. Start by opening the Bank of America mobile app on your phone and passing through the two-factor authorization. On the main screen, tap on Deposit Check at the bottom right corner. First, take a photo of the front of the paper check by tapping on Front Check. The app will use your phone's camera to capture the image. Ensure the check is on a dark background and fits within the frame. Then slowly move towards the check until it automatically takes the picture. Next, sign the back of the check and take a photo of it, making sure it fits within the frame and moving slowly towards the check until it snaps the picture. You may need to adjust the lighting to get a clear image. After capturing both photos, enter the amount of the check you want to deposit and tap Next. The app will then check the details. And once verified, you can tap Submit. The funds should be available soon, depending on the check's amount.